Our JC have hundreds of CNC machines under our roof, which ensures that we ship all the parts on time. We provide a variety of online custom CNC machining services including milling, turning, EDM, wire EDM, and surface grinding. With Precision 3, 4, and 5-axis CNC machining centers, combined with other advanced capabilities and our experienced team, we can handle all types of CNC machining parts in both metal and plastic materials. Whether you need prototypes or production parts machining, our CNC machining service will be your best choice. Request your online quote today to get your machining parts done in as little as 5 days.